In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your name on Telegram. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Telegram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Telegram has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change your name, it is actually very simple. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. So if you want to change your name, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, edit info. Now you'll be able to edit your profile information. At first, you'll be able to find the option for your name. From here, you'll be able to change the name. First of all, tap on the field of first name. Now you'll be able to edit the first name over here. After you're done, also tap on the field of last name. Now what you have to do is enter your last name over here. After you're done, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your name will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the name. So that is how you change your name on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.